Good afternoon. My name is Quincy Pinning from Professor Daniel Stein's CIS 205 class at Queensborough Community College. Today I will be speaking about Chapter 13 in our textbook called Creating Innovative Organizations. One of the greatest innovations of our time has been the World Wide Web. This has given us access to internet information, which includes graphics, audio, and video files. This would be things like YouTube or Wikipedia or even Google. Information is at our disposal at this point. Hypertext markup language is also known as a hyperlink. This would be when you see something that might say, click here for so and so, and you'll be able to get to another website just by clicking on that text. E-commerce is buying and selling of goods and services over the internet, which can sometimes get confused with e-business, which is just business done over the internet. Now, there are two different types of technologies. There's disruptive technology and substantial technology. Disruptive technology is a new type that does not meet the standards or needs of existing customers. For example, and this is a great example, Sony had started a company that sold portable battery-powered transistor radios. The sound quality of these radios weren't that great, but the benefit of being able to listen to music while walking to the store or sitting in a barber shop, it overlooked the fact that the quality wasn't so great. Now, substantial technology is something that produces a more improved product that customers will be more excited to buy. An example of this could be a new car that comes out that's faster, more efficient, better handling. If Nissan came out with a better car that had better handling, or Infiniti came out with a car that had better handling than the car before, this would be known as substantial technology. Now, we didn't always have a World Wide Web, but when the World Wide Web started to exist in 1991, actually from 1991 to 2003, there were it was known as Web 1.0 Internet. And this really changed the game completely. The three advantages that it had was that it helped maximize convenience, it helped enhance productivity, and helped improve communication. These might seem simple, but they played a big part in business as a whole.